Hi, my name's Andrew Olivo and I'm from the Mahwah campus in New Jersey. I actually wanted to learn about the electrical side of things such as home theater, alarm systems, and things of that nature. It was good. I made a lot of friends there. I learned a lot of new things. I had great instructors who were very experienced, and I had a great time there. Things I learned in the FIT program are things like the inside workings of a motor, how power is distributed through, say, a PLC, or how contacts work, how circuits work, how transformers work, things like that. I would definitely recommend the FIT program to other EEST students. If you're looking for something new, it's a great program to get started in. And yeah, if you want something that's really hands-on and you want to challenge yourself, it's definitely a great thing to consider. After I graduate the FIT program, I want to be a technician. From there, I'd like to further my studies to maybe one day become an electrical engineer.